Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best Chitubox settings or the support settings for your objects right here. Now, of course, there isn't a one best setting. There's multiple settings that we could make according to our model. So basically, generally, you just want to navigate through the support option first. And basically from here, in order to make things easier, I'm going to add the manual supports onto my model. Now, of course, you could also do something like automatic supports to make things easier. But if you want to manually put your own supports, you could just click on the manual option. Now from here, I suggest choosing something like adaptive supports because it will actually generate a suitable support intelligently to match our model feature. Once again, there isn't one best support setting. It's going to depend on the model itself. Now from here, if you scroll down, you have something like the top features, and I suggest choosing something like sphere. Basically, from there, you want to use the default one for the contact diameter, which is 0.80. Same thing with the contact depth, and so on and so forth. And for the next option, for the main one, you want to use something like cylinder. And once again, you want to use the default parameters right here. And as an addition, you could also adjust the raft layers. It's going to be a support for the main plate right here. So in my case, I'm going to be adding a raft and using this specific values right here, which is going to be 5. And the raft type is going to be something like skate. So in this case, it will be a lot easier for me to actually remove the model from the base plate. And for the last option, we have the snug support right here. And we also have the cross bracing. I suggest also turning this on. This will automatically attach or strong or strengthen the supports together. And you could just turn it on automatically. It will not harm the support itself. It will only make it a lot stronger. And basically from there, you have applied the best settings for your supports in Chitubox. Now, if you're a beginner on Chitubox and you don't know much about changing its values, I suggest choosing something like the auto support. It will help you a lot if especially this is your first time using the software itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.